Hello there, I'm Amir Nir, a painter from Israel, and I paint and teach watercolor. Today we're going to paint a loose brush painting of one street in Cuba. This is part of our series of lessons online, and you can check my channel for other lessons. And we're going to make a pretty loose painting, and I hope you like it and you can try at home, and good luck. Let's begin. So I will start with the sky, and I want to make it to consider the clouds here in a way. I'm working with the belly of the brush, as you can see. We don't do something like this. This is not so good. We just let the brush work for you. It's always good when somebody else working for you, right? And try to think about the white clouds, how they connect to the sky, to the painting. Cobalt blue, and in my case it's a light red, but you can make it with burnt sienna. It's kind of a brown blue, sometimes as if purple. At the bottom of the sky, as usually it is cooler, goes more towards green, the colors. So I use cerulean here. I like to have these edges. So I take a paper towel and just soak a little bit the leftover here. Clean so it will not come down to the painting. Just a little bit more blue in the sky. Not too much. This will be my sky for today. A little bit coming forward here, from behind. Watercolor tends to get lighter when they dry. So if you put, even if you feel like it is darker, don't worry. Do not worry. Okay. Now I think this is my light part. This is my light part, and I would like to put some darks here in order to make. It's a cloudy day, so we don't have a straight, strong light, but I will make this left side lighter and the dark side here on the right. So I look at the sky and thinking it should be darker. Like if I put this, I want it to feel immediately that it is darker. It's not the darkest dark, but it has to be darker than the sky. So I can have it as a layer for the darkest part of the painting here. Basically, what you want to think is about light and dark. It doesn't matter really what you paint. You can paint whatever you want. as long as you tell something about the light. This is the painting. The painting is not about things, it's about the light. If you want to paint something about things, it's like illustration, as if you have a text in the book and you want to make something interesting with this text. But in this case, except some details, all this wall, I'm not intending to make any anything here, so it's better be dark enough to hold the shadow mass. Now the car is very important to keep the car light against dark. This is what you want to think about. Now we have some blue over here. The secret is if I can share with you the secret, if you take a dark color and you add to this enough. This figure is in the shadow, so I just cover it. And you add enough water to this, it's going to be lighter at the end. Here I have some two blue cars here. I want to keep them blue. Any color that you want to have it not as dark or light, but specific color, you have to put it on the white paper. Otherwise, you will never get this color. Just remember. This this maybe I'll leave as white shirt here. This is the darkest side of the car, so it can be from the beginning. It can get some dark value. So we have dark and light. When I take yellow, I tend to right away think about the opposite color, the complementary, which is purple. And I want the car to remain red. This. So let's put the red for the car. Same light. I don't want the inside to remain red, so it's here, red. This I like so much, the bleeding for this area. I like it so much because this is watercolor. That one color goes into another one. And we make the street here. And the light wall. Remember, this is the light wall. But we don't want to leave it as a one color. So just add to this. Remember, this is the first wash. So I have the drawing. The drawing is holding my my painting. So I don't really. I'm not afraid, as we can say, to lose something here. And this is very important for this loose brush method, that something is holding your composition. And this is a drawing. Here we have a green, light green house here, a building here. It's very light blue, maybe on top here. Kind of yellow. This is in the light. This area is in the light, so it has to be lighter. Reddish. What's in here? I'm working with a mop brush. Has a very good point. If you want to use the point, when you make the wash, you can use it. Now remember, this is not for small details. Even though it has a nice point, because it contains a lot of water. So it just give you some ideas what to do with it. So this car I will leave now, for now I will leave it white. This one is a smaller brush. We'll do something over there. In the like this. Can do this here to give some ideas. And the blue cars. One and two. I can do this water containers. In Havana, they use a pump to push water to the upper floor, and then they have this blue container. They fill it with water, and then they don't use don't need any pressure. They just open the valve and they get water. So this is the first layer, first wash. We let it dry. We say bone dry, and then we go back and we define the details here, and we see how we make a progress. Another one or two layers in order to bring it up. So stay tuned.